So today I'm unboxing the Conair 1875 hairdryer. So here is one of the attachments, the comb attachment. And next we have this attachment, which I believe is also a type of comb attachment. And then there's another attachment in the box, which is this diffuser. So it has a couple settings here. It has a hot, warm, and cool, and then a cool button, and then also high, low, and off. So I was like, should I start with this attachment? And then I was like, no, I want to try this attachment. So then I opened it to have a look inside as to how exactly it looked, because it has a different type of attachment than the other comb. So yeah, it has the ridges there, and then it has like a kind of locking mechanism, which you can't put it directly on the hairdryer. I think there might be another thing that you add on. So I did not use that one first, because I wasn't able to just throw it on quickly, and I just wanted one that I could just throw on quickly and start using so that I could do my hair essentially right away. So yeah, you can see it has like a little bit of a locking mechanism there as the attachment. Whereas you see with this one, it just slides right on, so it's ready to go kind of thing. So yeah, I decided to use this one first. And so yeah, there she is, ready to use, and I went and tried her out right away.